Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to create services on our Facebook page. Suppose we are running a service-based business like teaching, freelancer, consultant, designer and so on, and we want to promote our business through a Facebook page by listing the services to let visitors know what our business is offering. Come to the page where you want to create the services. To add the services on our Facebook page, first we must add services tab. If you want to know how to enable services tab on our Facebook page, just click on the link showing in this video tutorial. Choose services tab. To create a new service, click on add a service. Then it will open add service window. In this we need to fill the information about our service. Enter the service name. And notice that in this field it will allow only 40 characters, so make sure that due to limited space describe your business name in short words, but it should be reached to use audience. Suppose if you are a teacher or a consultant, we can add our charges on hourly basis or on day basis. Enter the description, which is optional one, and set the duration. If you want to add extra time, you can select that. After that we can include an image, which is optional one. After filling all the information, click on save. Refresh the page once. And below it is showing the computer troubleshooting training service, and it will be visible to everyone who can visit our page depending on our audience selector. One thing, remember that these created services are displayed in the order that we enter them. The first service we enter will move to the bottom, while the service entered in last will appear first. Similarly, to create the services in new book, come to the page, click on the down arrow next to more and select the services tab, and it is showing tell people what services Ramna Tips offers so they can book an appointment with you. Click on add a service and follow the same procedure. And after filling the information, click on save. And if you want to delete the service, click on delete option. Then we will get a confirmation window. Are you sure you want to delete this service? If it is okay, just click on confirm. Otherwise, if you want to edit this, click on edit, and we can modify the information. After that, click on save. And finally, if you want to hide this service, simply drag the slider to left. Like this, we can create these services on our Facebook page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.